Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to Vero in 2025. If you've got funds in PayPal and want to move them to your Vero account for better management or daily spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, make sure you have both your PayPal and Vero accounts set up and verified. In 2025, with all the new security updates, it's crucial to have your accounts linked properly to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your PayPal account on the app or website. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Transfer section. It's usually right on the homepage. Next, look for the option to add a bank account. If you haven't linked your Vero account yet, this is where you'll do it. Enter your Vero account details carefully, like your account number and routing number, which you can find in your Vero app. PayPal might ask for verification, so keep an eye out for a small test deposit. They're all about security these days. Now, for the main event. Select the amount you want to transfer from your PayPal balance to your Vero account. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes, as transfer fees could apply depending on the day or amount. Hit confirm, and voila, your transfer is on its way. In 2025, most transfers happen almost instantly, but it could take up to a few business days, so plan accordingly. One quick tip: always monitor your accounts after a transfer to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you run into any issues, both PayPal and Vero have excellent customer support chatbots. That's it for the steps. By following this guide, you'll have your money moved over in no time, giving you more control over your finances. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy out there. See you in the next video.